Hi guys, good day and welcome to today's class. I am Abiodun Ajala. I work as sales and marketing specialist for Shares Cloud. So today I would like to introduce to you and educate some of us on what CRM means, what it stands for, and what value proposition that your company can derive when they use CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, which we all know. Customer Relationship Management. It is used by companies to manage their relationship with their clients and our customers. CRM is meant for not just big companies. Every startup companies need a CRM. Every fintech needs CRM. Every SMEs needs CRM. Small businesses, large scales, all need CRM. So the idea behind it is to say bye bye to a paperwork. When you use paperwork in an organization, it reduces energy of the employee and employer. Paper can got missing at times. Important documents can got missing, or maybe you mistakenly shred them and you start looking for them. So in every organization, it's always good to put system of work in place. So when you onboard your clients, your employee to join your organization, the first thing is to give them like onboarding training on how to use the CRM, assign username to everyone and password, which can be done by your IT guys. So I'm on the demo portal of our CRM. So it's something that we can customize to your name. Let's say your company name is XYZ Company Limited. It can be customized. This is just a sample. Excellent bridge. You can equally put ABC Transport here as well. You can make important announcements to all your employees. Once they log in, they will see those announcements and then the date and the time in which the announcement was made. Just like those days when you go to notice board of organization. So our CRM has more than 20 features, more than robust features, starting from dashboard, customer, sales, chart, expenses, contracts, project, task, support, lead, knowledge base, utilities, and reports, VAT report, telephony, payroll, pension, CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System. We have ticket reports, we have asset manager, we have email resource, we have timesheets, and on the right hand side you see the name of all your employees. Like as I'm talking, I can decide to shout it my human resource manager. Maybe he or she is in another department. I can decide to shout with my accounts manager. She's also my colleague in another unit. Can say hi to him, or I can equally tell him, oh please, can I get staple pin and all that. So I'll pick some of this module and then explain them and how they work. So using a CRM will really give you a competitive edge over your rivals. So I work as a salesperson, and each and every time I go out to tell my clients to buy our software, this is where I come to send my reports. I will come to lead. We all know what lead is. These are clients that are yet to convert. They are prospective customers. I just met them. I've met Mr. XYZ. I can decide to say new lead. When I say new lead, I will just come here and type what status is the lead. How did I got to know him? What source? Who am I assigning it to? The lead's name, the address, and this can be saved, for email marketing purpose. So we have sales. You can record your sales, knowledge base. Maybe you want to test your employee after you have trained them, the onboarding. Want to know how good they are on the company knowledge, on the company products or services. So you can come here. Utilities is where you drop folders like media, pictures, all kind of files, whether they're in PDF or in doc format. And you can also import document that you have on your system. And this report, this is payroll. And this payroll, you can see staff attendance. Instead of keeping a record of how many staff you have in your organization, our CRM can like put it through. You can easily comment on how many people that you have on your payroll, and the employee can easily come to their page and print out their pay slip, this pension, human resource, asset management. How asset management work is you can come here and record all the asset barcode that you have in your organization, your computer, your desktop, your internet dongles, maybe router, MiFi, and who are you assigning them to as well. So you can track them, note their location in real time using our CRM. One of the good features also is this email module. You know, when you have a social media marketing person or a digital marketer in your organization, you can assign this task to such person to do. Email module is used to send to communicate with your employee and then your clients, especially on notable dates, or let's say every Monday or every Christmas day or Salah day or Independence Day. You can, since you have gathered all the email from lead, you can just type your message. You can just say dear clients, dear clients, or you can just put it as clients in singular. Happy new months, happy new months. You can even use hyperlink. Kindly click here to learn more about our new products. Kindly click here to learn about new products and so on and so forth. You can put an hyperlink that they can click that will look like a city call to action. So there are a lot of features there, and this software is going to like make the process of work to flow in your organization. Like I said in the introduction, I'm a salesperson. I handle sales. I also handle marketing projects. So if you have any question, inquiry, or you need more clarification on how CRM works, or you want to know what CRM will suit your business, or you need more features, a robust feature that is more than this, we can always customize it and tailor it to your kind of business. So you can send us a mail, sales@choicecloud.co.uk. Sales as this is sale, this is the email. You can just say sales at choicecloud. Choicecloud, the cloud is in cloud.co.uk. You can put me in copy. Ajala A at choicecloud.co.uk. You can call my number 09031606060. We'll be so glad to educate you more on how our CRM work. Like I've said, it's going to give you a competitive edge. It's going to make your process of work to flow, and it's going to make you an IT compliance company. And then another good thing is that it's going to retain clients for you more than your competitors, and there will always be return on investments. So really thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Do have a great